fucking forest. It's just people raging you the whole time while you're looking at nice scenery. It's the worst. You'd hate nature, like, forever after a day.
And because it's on like some fucking Russian island, it's
Yeah.
fucking cold.
Absolutely. And a bear would just randomly maul you all of a sudden, like,
You wanna go to this red building, Wally?
halfway
Yeah,
through
we
the
can.
game.
There's
They should
shots
say-
down the hill.
Down
Oh,
the hill.
Yeah. Little checkpoint box, you looked at, Wally. Look down there. Oh, shit! Oh, shit!
Where, Wally?
210 southwest miles away. Oh! He's gonna sit still. Line him up. That was way off. Go right more. Oof. Hey.
Come to get some cover. Come get